Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadar sir. In the previous session, we learned about the different types of numbers, which are prime numbers, composite numbers, twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers, odd numbers, and even numbers. Now, today in this session, we are going to learn about HCF. HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. As you people in the first session of this chapter, factors and multiples, you learn about what is factor and what is multiple. Now for this session, leave multiple. In this session, we are going to learn about the highest common factor. So in this highest common factor, we are listening one term factor, which are you learned in the previous sessions, which is first session of this chapter, factors and multiples. So today's session is HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. So highest common factor. What is highest common factor? Highest common factor is nothing but if you are taking any two numbers or more than two numbers, if any factor is dividing the three numbers, the biggest factor the three numbers having, if it is dividing the three numbers without leaving a remainder, that means dividing that numbers completely. So here, when a number which divides all the taken or given numbers completely, that is called highest common factor. Now let us understand this with an example. For example, here take 24 and 16. 24 and 16. So here they are asking us to find the highest common factor. So for this we have to find the highest common factor of these two numbers. So now see, we have HCF. H stands for highest, C stands for common, and F stands for factor. Now let's move from back. First find out the factors of these numbers which are in the both 24, 16. So factors is nothing but in which table these numbers are coming. So we know that in which table 24 is coming. 24 will come in one table 24 times, in two table 2 12s, and in three table 8 times, in four table 6 times, and in six table 4 times, and in eight table 3 times, and in 12 table 2 times, and next the last one is 24 into 1. These are the factors of 24. Now here write factors of 24. What are that? Either you take these left side numbers or right side numbers, both are same. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 24. Nothing I did. I am writing the factors. What I wrote here, just I am copying. So now find out the factors of 16. Find out the factors of 16. So in one table 16 times, in two table 8 times, in four table 4 times, and next in 8 table 2 times, and in 16 table 1 time. So what are the factors? What are the factors of 16? Nothing but either you take these numbers or that numbers, both are same. 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16. Now in this next term is find out what are the common factors we have here. We have common factor 1, we have 2, 3, we have 8 and 4 also. So in these common factors, what is the biggest factor? In 1, 2, 4, 8, what is the biggest number? 8. So nothing but now come to highest. So HCF of 24 and 16 is nothing but 8. So nothing but finding HCF is nothing but first writing the factors and finding the common terms, finding the common factors and finding the highest common factor. So this is how to find the HCF of any two numbers. I said one definition before of this video, at the starting of this video. What is that? HCF is nothing but which divides the given numbers completely. That means giving remainder 0. HCF is nothing but the largest factor or the largest number which divides the both the given numbers completely by leaving remainder 0. So here when you divide 8 the HCF with these two, what will come? 8, 24 in 8 table how many times? 3 times. So what is coming here? 0. That means when 0 is coming means the divisor is the HCF. Now 16 in 2 times 16. Remainder is coming 0. So HCF is nothing but the biggest number, the biggest number which divides both the numbers. So this is HCF. This is one of the method how to find the HCF of any given numbers. Now we have another method also. Let us see what is that. So the method 2, the method 2 of finding HCF of any two or more than two numbers. So previously we taken example of 24, 16, 24, 16, and the method 2 is nothing but long division method, long division method. So in this long division method we have to take the step 1, the smallest number as divisor, the biggest number as dividend. Then we have to divide the both the numbers 16 and 24. We know that 2 16s 32, which is moreover than the dividend. So come for 1 time 16, and we know that 24 minus 16 what? 8. 14 minus 6 8, and 1 minus 1 0. So this remainder will become as divisor in the step 2, and we have to take the previous divisor as dividend here. So in 8 table 16 how many times? 2 times. So as per the definition of the HCF, which number divides the both numbers completely by leaving remainder 0, that is called HCF. So here see the division is completed. Completely means we should get the remainder 0. So here remainder we got 0, that means the last divisor is called HCF. So the last remainder is called HCF. HCF of 24 and 16 is 8. Is it clear? So this is how we have to find HCF of any given numbers, whether two numbers or more than two numbers, no matter. So this is what we have to find. This is the way to find the HCF of given numbers. I hope you people understood today's session about HCF. If you like this video, if you found this video helps you, then kindly share our videos with your friends, with your classmates, and with your besties. And stay tuned until the next video to our channel, Maths with Khadar sir.